We present to you the Ford Fuel Efficiency app. This app highlights the fuel efficiency features of an owner's Ford vehicle on their Facebook page by comparing them to other similar cars built by their competitors. Drivers can design the most fuel efficient route for completing daily activities, for an example, driving to work. The mileage tracking feature can help with record keeping that the IRS requires for tracking business mileage. The built-in algorithm of this app utilizes multiple variables such as mileage, engine size, transmission type, vehicle style, engine fuel type, engine cylinder details, engine compressor type, vehicle size class, and vehicle type. The comparison algorithm for measuring fuel efficiency versus competitor models is based on factors such as make, model, engine size, vehicle size, class, transmission, and price range. The app calls data from OpenXC every 15 seconds. It also tracks the GPS location every 10 seconds, and to avoid extra battery consumption, the app only listens to the OpenXC core API every 15 seconds.
This app strictly adheres to distraction guidelines by US DOT. Now we'll explain you the application workflow. First, from the home screen, go to the Ford Fuel Efficiency app icon that is there in the applications menu. Then you will get to the login screen where you have an option to either log in with Facebook or Google+. I'll use Google+ for the demonstration. Choose any of the account and then press OK. It will log you in itself. So after that you have to register your car. Choose your manufacturing year, model, and some trim. This is a welcome message that explains what next. So whenever we want to do anything, we have to check in. So to find the best route that gives you the best mileage, please check in before getting into your car and check in again at the destination. Every time you take a new route, you can check in to figure out the route giving you the best mileage. Please see your notification bar for an ongoing notification allowing you to check in. So this is the notification. I can add different check-ins. For example, let's say office and home. So whenever I want to check in, I just have to open this notification bar, click on check in, office. Now there's a message like fuel efficiency app will record your data for mileage calculation. Now to simulate the real-time vehicle data, I'll use the OpenXC Enabler app. So it has started sending the messages from the Downtown East JSON file, the trace file already. We'll wait for a few messages. Okay, so let's check in again. Now let's say I'm back at home, so I'll just check in again. Home. So now I'm getting the message that your data is saved for mileage calculations and you can check for your mileage from the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Like the mileage came to be around 5.36 km per liter. And we also include certain details like engine size, transmission type, vehicle style, engine fuel type, engine cylinder, engine compressor type, vehicle size class, and vehicle type. You can also compare the vehicle's mileage with the mileage of other competitor. For example, you can see here. These are the mileage of other cars with a similar configuration. Now So let's say you can take different routes to the same location from office to home. Like there's route A and route B. I've already recorded one route. Now I have another option to check, to compare the two different routes. I can again check in office. Again the same procedure, emulating the real-time data using OpenXC Enabler app. So we already have some messages received. We can check into home. So the same message is checking into home. Your data is saved for mileage calculations. So now let's go to the dashboard. I'll again open up the Ford Fuel Efficiency app, and you can see 3 tabs: dashboard, in the dashboard, comparison, and best route. When I click on the best route tab, so I can see all the routes from office to home. So similarly, I can have different check-ins and different routes. When I click on the find the route, it will tell me that the route with a mileage of 5.36 is the best. To check out what that route was, I'll just click on it. So this is the route, and if you want to see the other route, I'll again click on. So this is the other route. So it's an approximate graph that is plotted there. There's also an option to share the mileage and the results with your friends through F-Share. Yes.
Okay, so this is how our app works. We have tried to build an app that will help you save fossil fuels, and that will help you figure out the best possible path between any two nodes that you travel frequently. Let's say if you travel from office to home through 5 different ways, 5 different routes, using this app you can definitely figure out which route is the most fuel efficient for you, and you can always take that route and save fuel. We still have some future scope for this app. We tend to collect data from users who will be using this app and perform a full statistical analysis of the fuel consumption of various Ford vehicles and give the user a comparative dashboard. Building other features that users request and provide feedback on is also in the queue.